Borås Getaway house is a small retreat designed for a family seeking a quiet escape close to their hometown, set in a secluded, almost mythical landscape of mossy rocks and a calm freshwater lake. The intention was to create a weekend house that allows the family to disconnect from city life while leaving the enchanting nature of the site almost untouched. The steep and difficult terrain posed a construction challenge, combined with a strict building allowance of only 65 square meters, plus a few small auxiliary structures. Despite the limited area, the goal was to create a fully functional home for a family of 4. To minimize visual impact, the concept imagines the buildings as crystal-like forms emerging lightly from the hillside between the trees. Only 2 primary materials are used, glass and galvanized steel. Both were chosen for their durability and low maintenance, but also for their honest appearance, as the untreated zinc surface is allowed to naturally oxidize and develop a patina over time. The project is composed of 4 small cubic volumes arranged like a tiny hamlet: the main house, a twin-bedroom annex, a sauna and a carport. These volumes are placed parallel to one another, but rotated 45 degrees toward the lake. This orientation allows 2 facades of each cube to enjoy lake views, while preventing strong glass reflections toward the water. Inside the main house, the spatial organization revolves around a central solid core. This inner cube contains the bathroom, kitchen, and storage, and is rotated 45 degrees relative to the outer structure. This clever move creates an open-plan layout while naturally defining 4 zones: entrance/kitchen, dining area, living space, and bedroom. The core is fully clad in wood, introducing warmth to the otherwise raw palette of concrete, glass, and steel. Each cube is divided horizontally along an equator line. The lower half is fully glazed, and the upper half is clad in galvanized steel. In the main house, the upper metal portion conceals a recessed rooftop terrace, accessed by an outdoor spiral staircase at the back. This terrace significantly expands the usable outdoor area, placing occupants among the treetops like a childhood treehouse. Structurally, this inner cube continues downward beneath the house, forming a central mushroom-like support from which much of the house cantilevers outward. The result is a light architectural footprint that hovers gently above the ground, preserving the landscape while offering a unique and immersive living experience in nature.